Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So let's see, we have what question we have today, and the question I have is: so quick question, do you still use Jasper AI for the longest? While I have been using Chat GPT, Zimm Writer, and Surface SEO for automated SEO writing, I technically still have Jasper, but I am wondering if I should cancel it or if there is value in keeping it and starting to use it again. Thanks in advance. So if you ask me regarding Jasper.ai, yes, I'm still using it, and in case if you want it, just have follow the link in the description to get it done. And if you ask me, I have been using it, and the reason why, which is why I like Jasper, is because I can create mass content at a very good price, and this is one of the oldest AI tools to for writing. But still, if you ask me, like, you can get a very good deal through the link in the description, and you have ample of features available. But still, what you have to do is a manual review of the content is necessary. And what I do, when I create a content with Jasper AI, is I look around for the references, I add them, I give them a manual touch by rewriting and adding some content which obviously Jasper cannot write it. So it's a very good assisting tool for me. As an assistant, it's a very good tool for me, and I definitely recommend anyone to use Jasper AI. But if you ask me, if you solely rely on Jasper AI without any human interaction or human reviewing, then it's a big no. I'm not going to recommend it unless and until it's a human involvement is there, and of supervising the content, improving the content, adding some information which definitely a human can do it. Then it's a very good tool, and you can do wonders. And I got my website ranked through Jasper AI. One of my website, not my main blog, but one of my website got ranked it with the Jasper AI content. But only it was possible once I had human, someone who was manually reviewing the work, adding some stuff. And I also occasionally look around on the articles to see what could be done, and I suggested them, like I suggested them regarding the fact, and some optimization was due to in a schema. So there was a lot of stuff which got it. And if you ask me, the creator content is very good. Unless and until you are a team, then you can offer the team. And it's a yearly plan you are seeing. You can also offer the monthly plan. So yearly is going to be a very economical option for you, but you can offer monthly plan as well. And make sure to click from the link in the description, and definitely I will be paid the commission in case if you use the link. But if you ask me again, Jasper AI definitely big yes, but with a human involvement. So good luck and enjoy your Jasper. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.